We know that support teams waste a lot of time snoozing conversations, replying when they're reopened, checking in again, and repeating this process before finally having to close out. In this lesson, we'll show you how to automate this entire process. To start, we'll select the When Customer Has Been Unresponsive trigger. We'll set the time limit to 1 day. Now this will only fire after someone has been unresponsive for 24 hours. From here, we can save and close the trigger. We already have a message here that checks in with customers, so we can build on this by adding a snooze action and setting it to the following day. Then we just repeat this process, adding a message to check in again and set expectations, and snoozing for another day. You can set these snooze blocks to any time period that works for your team or company. They don't have to be until the next day. To finish up then, we'll add a final message to sign off completely, adding an action to close out the conversation, and another one to ask for a conversation rating. Once you're happy with these settings, you can set this workflow live and start saving time for your team.